Hola, hola, buenos días. Hola, Gerson, buenos días. Dani Borja, buenos días. Mía, buenos días. ¿Cómo están? Espero que súper bien, chicos. ¿Cómo pasaron su fin de semana? Hola, Ricardo, buenos días.
Me la
Hola,
pasé bien.
Gerard. Súper bien. Ok, me alegro entonces. Qué bueno.
Aunque
Hola.
un poquito triste.
Ah, ¿y eso? ¿Por qué?
Íbamos ahí a la
Buenos
playa,
días.
Buenos
pero cabal
días.
cerraron.
Ah, ok.
Es que
Bueno.
íbamos a camino y cabal cuando llegamos ya cerraron.
Bueno, quizás iban justitos de tiempo. Tal vez la próxima vez pueda. Ok. Muy bien. Buenos días, chicos. Bienvenidos. Ok. Estamos en semana 17, nuestra semana de exámenes de mayo. Ok, ya son nuestras, vamos a ver, terceras evaluaciones que tenemos. Así que son las primeras del periodo 2, ok. Luego vienen las de junio que serían las del periodo, siempre del periodo 2, pero serían las segundas. Así que nos vamos a encomendar al Señor, ¿de acuerdo? Este día tenemos una clase de repaso, tiene su evaluación de reading este día, la segunda hora. Recuerde que la segunda hora está dedicado para su examen, entonces no vamos a tener clase, ¿sí? Ok, vamos a orar y le vamos a pedir a Dios que nos ayude en esta semana, que nos ilumine, ¿de acuerdo? Muy bien, chicos. Gracias, amado Padre, por esta mañana en la cual tú nos has permitido poder despertar, Señor, poder ver tus maravillas y poder ver nuevamente a nuestra familia. Agradecemos, Señor, por este fin de semana que ya finalizó, en el cual nosotros logramos descansar, Señor, y también logramos estudiar. Te pedimos que esta semana de evaluaciones sea una semana en donde tú nos llenes de tu sabiduría, Señor, para poder contestar de la manera correcta. Además, Señor, te pedimos que podamos ser unos hijos e hijas responsables, Señor, que podamos estudiar a diario, que podamos tener los conocimientos necesarios para nuestras evaluaciones y te pedimos, Señor, que seas tú quien esté con nosotros en todo momento. Sabemos que debemos esforzarnos cada día, sabemos que debemos de dar lo mejor de nosotros mismos y este día no va a ser la excepción. Que este día esté lleno de muchas bendiciones para cada una de nuestras familias. Cuida a nuestros padres, Señor, en el camino que recorren y si salen a trabajar, pues tráelos con bien a nuestra casa. En el nombre del Señor. Amén. Ok, chicos, muy bien, comenzamos. Sí, vamos a tener nuestro repaso. Este día no tenemos devocional debido a que es clase de repaso y necesitamos ver los contenidos que van a venir en la evaluación. Ok, recuerde que sus exámenes ya están habilitados desde las 7 de la mañana y los puede realizar en el transcurso de la semana, aunque se le ha dado una hora sugerida para que usted lo haga, que es el día de ahora, a las 9 de la mañana. De esa manera no lo podemos olvidar, ¿sí? Y si no lo realiza el día de ahora, bueno, pues entonces recuerde que tiene que realizarlo en el transcurso de la semana, antes de las 6 de la tarde del día viernes, ¿ok? Muy bien, perfecto. Review class. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is about our future. Yeah, in that case, in this reading, I evaluate the vocabulary. Yeah, that's mean the meaning of the words, the usage, if this one is a noun or maybe a verb, etc. And in this part of the passage, okay, we talk about different predictions, okay, but about what happened in the future, okay, with the teachers, with computers, etc. Okay, and we discuss, remember, that some of the facts that are presented here in this reading, we put in practice right now, yeah? For example, taking our virtual classes. So this one is one of the things that will happen or that happen right now. Okay, so let's see. In the next few decades, the most important word here is decades, new inventions and discovery will make huge changes to our lives. Okay, remember, in the past, okay, the majority of the people are expecting what happened with inventions, okay, or maybe with the discoveries. Remember, the people invented the light, okay, then invented the telegraph, let me see, the computer, the cell phones, etc. Okay, all of these things are changing during the day. Yeah, for example, nowadays we have, let me see, more cell phones that are very technological and also modern. Yes. Okay. If you see the first cell phone, okay, that was created, this one is very big. Yeah. Okay. And we have, let me see, different colors, yellow, I think blue or red. Okay. That's mean, and nowadays we have cell phones. Okay. This one are tiny. Okay. This one are light. This one are not big. yeah, as the first one. So on these 2 pages, scientists gives their predictions. This one is another important word as part of the vocabulary about life in the future. Will there be schools in the future? Okay, do you remember what we discussed about this one, about this question? Will there be schools in the future? According to the reading, okay, this one says yes or no. Will there be schools in the future? Okay, do you remember? Yes, thank you, Harrison. Exactly, okay, according to this one says the children go to school. Yeah, but school will be very different, okay? For example, the teachers, okay, as we do nowadays, okay, we teach about a computer. The majority of the students has a computer, okay, they take the classes in it. This one are virtual classroom, okay? For example, we have in our virtual classroom today because we take our reviewing reading class in that form, yeah? That's mean we take the classes, okay, at home, and we use a computer, okay, or a specific, let me see, in that case, things, okay, for taking our classes. Could be cell phone, tablet, etc. And we have the virtual reality, okay? In that case, virtual is one of the words that we study, yeah? Virtual reality will give them an image, okay? You know that we take photos, okay? So we take with a cell phone and we say, okay, this one is a picture, okay? In that case, in this content, in technological content, we talk that this one is an image, okay? For example, you see on your screen my face. So in that case, this one is my image, yeah? And when you use, let me see, for example, if I have, let me see, a printed photo. So this one is a picture, yeah? In virtual, the correct word is image, okay? Of a classroom in 3 dimensions or 3D. Remember, for example, you play video games. Let me check. Okay, who play video games? Let me see, raise your hand. Okay, Santiago, this is one. Let's see, Anderson, Gerson. Okay, Carlos Arias. Okay, that's good. I don't know if in your video games, okay, you can see different spaces or different places in 3D, yeah? This one is okay? Okay, for example, a park, I don't know if there is a mountain and a specific room, etc. Okay, you know about this one. So it's similar to the classes, okay? So we have, let me see, we take. Okay, Santiago, tell me. Describe me the place that appear in the video game.
Mm, mm, en una parte
Ajá.
del videojuego que más juego se llama la aguja. Mayormente ahí hay como una torre como que de
Ah,
obsidiana resistente. Y también como hay un pueblo, como hay un pueblo de piedras, un pueblo de piedras, y hay como un jefe ahí.
Okay, that's good. So you can see a tower, you can see a town, okay? And this one is similar to the real life, yes? Okay, but this one is virtual, okay? So that's good. This one are 3D, okay? Maybe in some years, okay, we are in a classroom, in a virtual classroom, similar to a cinema room, okay? So you have to you sit down there, but in virtual way, yeah? And you take your classes. Maybe this one is near, yes? Okay, that's good. Let me see. Okay, excellent. So we have different video games, yes? Okay, so let's see, will computers understand what we say to them? Remember, we talk about that, okay, we can give some instructions to the computers or maybe to our cell phones, okay? So we say that computers and cell phones are more intelligent nowadays because you say, okay, please, let me see, look for the meaning of the word future. Okay, so you say this one to your cell phone, future. Future is one of the words that you use for or that is related to the things that will happen in next years. Yeah, okay, and your cell phone said that. So these ones are very intelligent. For that reason, we call it smartphones, okay, smart TV, etc. Yeah, because they are very intelligent. They will understand what we say, okay? For example, if we say a phrase, okay, or maybe, okay, the title of a song, okay, the cell phone or the computer, okay, look for this thing and at the end, okay, appear. let me see the phrase that we have. Yeah. Okay. In the future, humans and computers will be part of a huge radio network. Okay. This one is another word, network. Okay. Remember, this is a group of things that are connected together. Okay. We will send messages for our brain to our computer, and the computer will send messages straight to our brain without using wires. Okay, that's mean it's possible, okay, that in the future, okay, we can let me see, the scientists insert a chip, okay, in our brain, give instructions to the computer. I think this one is possible, yes, okay, because we have a lot of, let me see, inventions, and we have a lot of technology nowadays. But in my case, or in my opinion, this one is not necessary because the human beings are very intelligent, okay? And they develop different things by, let me say, by themselves. And it's not necessary to insert a little chip, okay, for giving instructions, okay, or for doing something. No. Okay, maybe it's possible, but in my case, let me see, I don't agree with that. Yeah. Okay. When you want to learn something new, your computer will send information straight to your brain. Okay. So I think we have the capacity, okay, to understand or to, let me see, to invent, to create, etc. But this one is an opinion of a scientist. Yes. Okay. So let's see. Let's continue. What will clothes be like? Okay, remember we talked about this one, that the cloth will be soft, yeah, but okay, this one have different patterns, okay. Let me see, about pants, t-shirts, etc. And you can, let me see, press a button, or maybe, okay, you can show different things, yes. Okay, will we have robots to help us? Yes, okay, we discussed about nanobots. You know that this one is a tiny robot, yeah, and it's very, very small, but okay, you can, let me see, will be everywhere, okay, and maybe develop different things. Yes, for example, clean your home, let me see, okay, wash the dishes, etc. Okay, will there be televisions? Okay, televisions in the future will be different from televisions now. Okay, nowadays we have a smart TV. So you can, let me see, surf on the internet, you can chat, okay, on your smart TV, you connect your cell phone to your smart TV, okay, and you see different things. But imagine, okay, maybe in 10 years, I don't know, okay, the bigger and the pictures on the television won't be flat, okay, they will be all in 3D. That's mean will be necessary that we use a glasses, okay, and special glasses, similar to the cinema, yeah? Okay, what about TV channels? TV channels will be a thing of the past, okay? People will choose TV programs from a menu on their computer, and in the future, TV programs, films, music, and books will all come to us through our computers, okay? That's mean you don't need channels, okay? For example, you don't need channel 2, 4, 6, okay, 10, 12, etc. because you have a, let me see, a group of things that you can see. For example, nowadays we have Netflix, okay, we have, let me see what else. Okay, YouTube, that was the first one, and difference, okay? Things or different apps that you can see movies, okay, you can see different programs in that. For that reason, TV channels maybe disappear, okay, we don't know. Okay, so this one is about this part of the reading. Remember the vocabulary, we have channels, menu, okay, nanobots. Also, we have brain, wires, network, image, virtual, predictions, and decades, yeah? Okay, we pass to the other reading, and then we, let me see, discuss about the vocabulary. So let's see, test time. What do you remember about this reading? Okay, give me some ideas. ¿Qué recordamos about test time? Okay, remember, we have two kids. What are the names of these two kids? Do you remember?
Kevin, Matt.
Okay, Teddy and Math. Okay, and what is the name of the teacher?
Mrs. Bunch.
Okay, Mrs. Bunch. Okay, and at the beginning of the story says that Mrs. Bunch announced to her students that they will have a test. Yeah, and this test is about what? Okay, they study, or the kids study on a specific topic. What is this one?
Predictions.
Okay, So let's see the capitals and also,
The States.
okay, the states of a specific country that is the United States. Yes, okay, 50 states and capitals. Yeah, okay, and maybe the teacher, that's me, Mrs. Bunch, announced that the test, okay, will be on Friday. Yes, okay, so maybe they have 4 days for study. So let's see. In addition to know with each state's capital, the students will have to be able to fill in all the states' names, okay, on a US map. Okay, so that's me. It's not only, okay, memorize the states, it's not only memorize the capitals of the United States, okay, the other things is an extra activity that they have a map, a big map, okay, of the United States, and they need to write, okay, the names in this map. So this one is another things that they develop. And Mrs. Bunch also told the students to be sure to take a special notice on their own states. She even put up a poster in front of the classroom showing the state map along with the state motto in flower. Okay, so that's mean the teacher helped us and put a big map in front of them. Okay, and they try to study in that form. Best friend, Kevin in math. Okay, so you know that Kevin and math are best friends. Okay, both wanting to do well on the test. Okay, that's mean they want to obtain a 100, okay, or maybe a 10 of grade. But each boy study for the test in a very different way. So this one is about the reading, the ways that the boys, okay, study for the test. So let's see, now let's discover. Okay, Kevin decided to wait until Thursday, okay? Imagine. So if the teacher says that you have a test, okay, on Monday, so you can study Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's mean 4 days. But Kevin decided to study until Thursday. That's mean, okay, the last day, yes? Okay, Thursday evening. So imagine this one, it's not in the morning, it's not in the afternoon, evening, okay, to be in study. He thought if he learned everything on Thursday, we will be able to remember it better on Friday. But imagine if it is possible that you learn the 50 capitals and the 50 states. Let me see, on Thursday, if you have the test on Friday, okay, do you consider that is possible? No, yes, okay, because this one is a lot of information, so you forget, exactly. So after supper on Thursday evening, Kevin took his study notes into the family room so he could watch, okay, the TV and also study. Do you consider that this one is a good way to study? Okay, sit down in the living room, watch TV and study. Okay, this one is a good, let me see, routine, or this one is a good study habit. Yes or no? Okay, no, okay, yes. Why? Because maybe you have in front of the TV. You pay attention to the television, yes, to the program. Okay, you don't study in the correct way because you don't concentrate in that form. So let's see, let's continue. Mrs. Bunch, okay, had given all the students an alphabetical list of the states and their capitals. Kevin read the list over and over again. Okay, imagine that you have a list, yes? Okay, so and you study until Thursday. Okay, San Salvador, La Libertad, Nuevo San Salvador, Sonsonate, okay? You, Kevin, did this one, yes? Okay, but on Thursday. So that's mean, let me see, he has hours, okay, for the test. Then he covered up the capitals and tried to remember, okay, what they were as a read. But remember, Kevin, okay, was watching the TV, and this one is no better. So let's see, and says, Kevin kept taking some time to watch his favorite TV shows. Okay, that's mean he didn't finish studying. Okay, the next morning he skipped breakfast so we would not miss his bus and arrive late to school. So that's mean, and in the morning say, oh my God, I don't study very well. So I need to study right now, but I skipped my breakfast. And in this time I can study. Yes, okay, remember skip, eliminar, yes? Okay, eliminó su desayuno for studying, yes? Okay, that's good. This one is the situation of Kevin. What happened with the situation of math, okay? Okay, tell me, what is the way that math, okay, study? Okay, I hear you. ¿Cómo estudió math? What are the activities that math develop? Or what are the ways that math use for studying? Do you remember? Okay, according to the passage, says that on Monday evening, he made a set of flashcards. Okay, you know that these one are short, let me see, yes, short cards. Okay, and in these cards, in one side, okay, he wrote the name of the state. And in the other side, okay, he wrote the capital. Yes, okay, that's mean he create or made, okay, a set of flashcards, in that case, 50 flashcards, okay, with the state in the capital, okay? And he started to study, yes? He then traced the map of the United States, okay? And start writing the name, yes? Okay, imagine this one is a good way. So he created a set of flashcards, okay? Made a big map of the United States and starting to write the names of the states in the map, okay? In that form, he remembered, okay, the information. So let's see now, he has some maps on which to practice writing the states names on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. Okay, that's mean, okay, math study, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 4 days, not only one day, 4 days, okay, during all the week, yeah? Okay, on his way to school each day, Math took his flashcards with him on the bus and practiced naming the capitals, okay? So he went in the bus and he continued practice and practice and practice, yeah? When the boys arrived at school on Friday, they joined their classmate, okay? And they started the test. Matt noticed that she had taken down the poster of their own stay map. Then he received her test and like his friend Kevin, began to work hard to do his very best. Okay, what do you think is the void that made, let me see, the good grades for study? Kevin or math? Okay, who studied better? Kevin or math? ¿Quién estudió mejor?
Math.
Math, okay, math, excellent, because he applied, okay, different ways to study, yes, okay, excellent. So let's see, what mistakes do you think Kevin made in the way he studied? What are the mistakes do you think Kevin made?
That Kenny didn't study well, and that he studied like on Thursday, one day after the exam.
Okay, so let's see.
¿Me escucha?
Yes, I hear you.
No, ni me escucha.
Sí le escucho, Mario.
Ah, gracias, es que pensé que no me escuchaba.
Cómo no, sí le escucho. Dígame.
Solo estaba preguntando
Ah,
si me escuchaban.
okay, thank you, Mario. So let's see. Yes, one of the mistake is that Kevin didn't study all the week. Yeah, okay, he studied until Thursday. Yeah, that's mean one day. Okay, before the test. And this one is not possible. Yeah, so you need to study maybe 2, 3, 4 days before the test. Okay, so this one is necessary. It's not only hours, okay, for the test. This one is one. And the other one is, okay, watch TV and pretend, okay, that he study. Okay, this one is not a good way. Okay, maybe you study, yeah, with your notebook, with your book, okay, writing different things, make flashcards, etc. But if you are in front of a computer, if you're in front of a television, okay, so this one, okay, if you stand in front of the computer, but you use the book, okay, the online book, and in that form is good for studying. But if you only have the computer for listening to music, okay, watching TV, okay, this one is not possible, yeah, because this one is not a good way. Okay, now, how was math study plan different from Kevin's? Okay, the different plan is that math consider that it is necessary to study very good. Okay, made flashcards, okay, prepare different maths, study when he went to the school, okay, that's mean every day, because this one is a lot of information, yes? For example, in reading, Okay, when you have a test, first one, you read the information. Yeah, that's when you read the passage. Okay, you understand the main ideas, you identify the main ideas, and then you think, okay, this one is the question. Okay, the answer of this one is in the paragraph number 3. I remember. Okay, so you go one more time to the reading. Yes. Okay, you scan. Okay, escanea, and you find the answer. Okay, this one is about reading, but what about math? If you study for math, okay, you need to practice, yeah, develop different, let me see, operations. For example, the addition, okay, multiplication, yes, okay, so you practice. In math, you need to practice, yes, this one is a good way for studying. For example, in language, okay, in language, you check the rules, okay, the capitalization rules, the grammar rules, and in that way, okay, you understand and you remember the information, yes? For example, science, okay, social studies. So you need to read and you need to memorize or to understand the main content, yeah? Or maybe some minutes, yes? This one is important. So if you study for every subject, okay, you use different ways, not the same, because every subject, okay, has, let me see, different topics, okay? It's not the same way. For that reason, you need to apply different ways to study, yes? Okay, let's continue one more time. So let's see. Now this one, complete the facts in one word in each group. In that case, okay, since this one is general, it's about the first reading. Sometimes a student will learn in a virtual classroom, yes? Okay. Computers will what people say. Okay, what is this one? Computers will what people say. What do you think is that? Okay, let's check this part.
Predict.
Okay, excellent, thank you. So let me check. Okay, predict. Yes, computers will predict what people say, predict or understand. What do you think?
Predict.
Okay, predict. Yes, okay, both are possible. We'll predict what people say. People and will be part of the same network. What is this one? People and will be part of the same network.
Computers.
And computers, exactly. Okay, but remember, a computer is not only your laptop, yeah? Okay, your cell phone is a computer, yes? Okay, what else? Your tablet is a computer, etc. Okay, computers will send information straight to our brain, okay? Excellent, to our brain, that's good. Some will have a watch on the sleeve. Okay, remember, we talk about clothes. Yeah, what happened with the clothes? Some.
Menu.
Okay, some menu. Okay. We'll have a watch on the sleeve. Okay, a small will help us in our
Nanobots.
homes. Okay, nanobots, exactly. Nanobots. There won't be any TV
Channels.
channels. Okay, we mentioned that this one disappears. Yes, okay, channels in the future. And your computer will films and music for you. Your
Radio.
computer. Okay, your computer will. What is this one? Will maybe show films and music for you. Yes. Okay, we choose film and music for you. Okay.
Radio.
Okay, excellent. So that's good. So we clear this part. You know what is the word. Okay, let's continue. Let's see. Now you guess. A period of 10 years. What is this one? This one is part of the vocabulary. A period of 10 years.
Decades.
Okay, so we have an example from 2020 to 2030. Yes, okay, so this one is a decade. So let's see, excellent. Next one, a statement what you, okay, let me see, will happen in the future. Okay, statement what you think.
Predict.
Okay,
Predict.
Predictions.
Prediction, okay, yes, this one is a prediction. Remember, this one is a statement. If different, if you say, okay, what do you think? Okay, this one is a prediction. That's good. Next one, created by computer technology. Created by computer technology. Okay, virtual. Yes. Okay, for example, we have a virtual class. So this one is created by computer technology. Okay, remember, you develop different programs, different app. For example, nowadays we use Zoom. Yeah, so this one is an app that is created by computer technology and we use it. Yeah. Okay, so remember, we have different. For example, we have Classroom. This one is another one that you can enter, okay, and you see the classes. Yes. Okay, Teams. This one is another app. So we have a lot of. Next one, a picture in your mind. What is that?
Image.
Okay, so let's see, if we have a picture, okay, a printed picture, okay, so this one is a photo, yeah, so you take the photo on your cell phone, you print it, this one is a photo, okay, that's mean a picture. But if you have this one in your mind, okay, in your mind, and also appear in a technological, let me see, apparatus, so this one is an image, yes, okay. A large system, okay, consisting of many similar parts that are connected together. What is that?
Computer.
Okay, a large system consisting of many similar parts that are connecting together.
Wire.
Okay, you say wire, you say computer, you say nanobots. This one is network. Yes, okay. Remember, a network is a system, okay, that is created in a computer that has similar parts, that's mean commands that are similar and are connecting together. For example, in your laptop, you have a system, yeah, but these one are connected together. Okay, because they have the same call, they have the same function, etc. For example, we have Windows 10. This one is a system, yes? Okay, so, okay, excellent. So this one is a large system consisting of many similar parts that are connected together. Don't forget this one. This one is network. Okay. The organ inside the head that controls thought, memory, feelings, and activity. What is this one?
Brain.
Ah, okay, yes. Okay,
Yo dije primero.
analyze. Okay, analyze the definition. Yes, the organ inside your head that controls thought, memory, feelings, and activity. So this one is our brain. Yes. Okay, remember our brain is an organ. Yeah, so that is part of our body. Okay, next one. This is a piece of thin metal thread with a layer of plastic around it, used for carrying electric current. What is that?
Wire.
Okay, wire. Wire. For example, this one is a wire, yeah? Okay. My laptop is connected by a wire. Okay, that's good. This one is wire. Excellent. Let's continue. Okay, this one is an extremely smart robot, a machine controlled by a computer that can do things automatically.
Nanobots.
Okay, nanobots, exactly. So this one is a small robot, tiny robot that control or is controlled by a computer and do different things automatically. Yeah, so this one is a nanobot. For example, a chip. This is a nanobot, yeah, because you insert a chip, okay, maybe in a human being, maybe in an animal, okay, and by computer you give some instruction and the animal do that, yes? Okay, so this one is a nanobot. That's good. Okay, let me stop here. Okay, so let's see. Do you have some question about this one?
No.
No?
No,
Okay.
estamos listos.
No, miss. Estamos listos.
Are you ready for the test?
Sí, miss.
Nos vamos
Okay.
sacando un 4.
No, it's not
Un 10
possible.
nos vamos a sacar, miss.
I
Es tan
hope that.
obvio.
Okay, I hope that. Okay, so let's see. Remember.
Mario está con gaveta ya para acelerar.
Okay, so listen, remember, you have, let me see, all the week, yeah, for developing the test. That's mean until today, from today until Friday, yeah? If you don't want to develop the test today, but, okay, if it is possible, remember you have one specific hour from 9 to 10 and you can develop the test nowadays, okay? That's me right now, because you have a lot of information, we study, we make the review class, okay? And you are preparing for the test, yes? Okay, then you forget it and you don't develop the test, okay? Luego se le olvida, no lo deje para los últimos momentos, porque entonces se le olvida la información que hemos visto en clase. ¿Sí? Entonces procure hacerlo el día de ahora, ¿ok? Después, en un horario de 9 a 10, que es el horario sugerido. Recuerda, esa clase no la tenemos porque es el horario en específico para el examen. Después se nos olvida, ¿ok? Y no es con intención, sino que se nos olvidó hacerlo. Entonces mejor hágalo, ¿de acuerdo? Ok, el día de mañana tenemos nuestro repaso de IFL y tenemos también el examen de IFL, ¿ok? Un consejo es que haga una checklist para que de exámenes, ¿ok? Lunes, examen de reading, done, ¿ok? Math test, done. EFL test, done, ¿ok? En ese caso, usted va a saber cuáles son los exámenes que ha hecho y cuáles no ha hecho, ¿sí? Ok, procura ir estudiando. Tenemos varias horas, ok, por así decirlo, que no va a recibir clases. Entonces, procura ir estudiando. Eso sí, algo muy importante. Usted sabe que en el examen de reading tenemos dos partes. La primera en donde tiene que leer y contestar preguntas de comprensión lectora. Y la segunda de elegir la respuesta correcta, ¿ok? Entonces, por favor, lea detenidamente. No lo haga rápido, no lo haga a la carrera. Mejor lea primero. Si algo no lo entiende, si algo no comprende, entonces consúlteme. Yo voy a estar aquí conectada. Que no se preocupe, o si me dice, mira, Miss, tengo problemas con la conexión, mira, Miss, tengo problemas con ingresar al examen, usted me lo dice, ¿ok? Hágalo despacio, analice, por favor, ¿ok? A manera de obtener una buena calificación. ¿De acuerdo? Ok, creo que no hay ninguna consulta, chicos. Espero que no. ¿Ok? ¿No? Muy bien. ¿Tiene otro examen el día de ahora, aparte de reading?
Lenguaje.
Y
Ah.
mate.
Ah, ok. Tiene 3 exámenes
Yo tengo
entonces.
mate.
Sí, mismo.
Ah, muy bien.
Ok.
Ok,
Todo
pero...
es el repaso de matemáticas y el de lenguaje.
Ah, tiene repasos entonces. Ok, perfecto. Muy bien. Bueno, yo
Yo
le
cuando
aconsejo.
Solo es el repaso.
Sí,
dos clases, la de
ok.
red y la de LEM,
Yo le
lenguaje.
aconsejo que después de los repasos, igual, y antes del examen, repase un poquito más para que le queden claros los contenidos, ¿sí? Y si tiene alguna duda, pues consulte, ¿de acuerdo? Obviamente los maestros no le vamos a dar la respuesta a los exámenes, ¿sí? Solamente le podemos sugerir, ¿ok? Despejar dudas, pero no le podemos decir, ¿ok? No le
O dar
podemos...
una pista, miss, o dar una
La
pista.
primera, ¿cuál es la
Una
segunda?
pista, ok.
¿Cuál es la tercera?
No, porque bueno, para usted, por lo menos para Carlos, pues la primera puede ser una y para Mario la primera puede ser otra, ¿ok? Hay distintas claves, no son las mismas. Ok, todos ponen
Pero
los
¿cuál
ojitos
será
así.
la correcta?
Ok, excelente chicos, muy bien. Si no tenemos dudas, ok, me escribe, ¿de acuerdo? Si tiene alguna duda, si no, estamos a la orden. Si no ha enviado aún sus actividades de semana 14, 15, 16, me las puede enviar, ¿ok? Aún las estoy chequeando, así que yo ahí le estoy mandando un recordatorio si algo le hace falta, ¿ok? Si no le envío recordatorio es porque todo está completo, ¿de acuerdo? Ok, excelente chicos, un gusto verlos este día. Bendiciones y buena suerte en cada uno de los exámenes, ¿ok?
Gracias, miss.
Adiós,
Ok,
Miss.
cuídense.
Gracias,
Bye
Miss.
bye.
Miss.
Nos vemos
Adiós,
mañana.
Miss.
Adiós.
Bye.
Adiós,
Goodbye.
miss.
Bye
Adiós, Miss.
bye.
Adiós, miss.
Bye bye.